Bro, if you can't hit 100 push-ups in one set, don't panic. Most people gas out faster than their phone battery at 3%, and somehow still think they're ready for 100 reps. But today, I'm giving you the real blueprint. Not motivation, not lies. Just the exact method that transforms your chest, triceps, shoulders, and stamina, so you can dominate 100 push-ups in one clean set. Welcome back to Sky High Fit, where I break real fitness myths and give you real results. If you've ever tried hitting 100 push-ups and failed at rep 30 or 40, it's not because you're weak, it's because you're using the wrong strategy. Push-ups aren't just strength. They are pacing, breathing, tempo, timing, and muscle conditioning. So let's break down step by step how you can reach 100. Section 1. Understand why you fail at 30 to 40 reps. Most people hit failure early because they burn energy too fast. They rush the first 20 reps. They hold their breath. Their core collapses. Their elbows flare out. They never trained endurance, only strength. Think of push-ups like running. If you sprint the first 20 seconds, you won't reach the finish line. Section 2. The perfect tempo for 100 reps. This is the secret almost nobody teaches. You should not blast reps like a machine gun. The ideal tempo is reps 1 to 30, medium speed, reps 30 to 60, slow and controlled, reps 60 to 80, short pause at the top, reps 80 to 100, micro reps, keep moving. When you slow down midway, you prevent burnout. When you pause at the top, you reset your breathing. And micro reps at the end keep your muscles alive instead of collapsing. Section 3. Breathing technique that saves you. This alone will take you from 40 reps to 70 reps instantly. Use this rhythm. When you go down, inhale, and when you go up, exhale. Most people hold their breath and die at rep 25. You need oxygen, especially for endurance reps. Section 4, the weekly progression, the blueprint. This is your Sky High Fit progression. Follow this for 3 to 4 weeks. Week 1. Day 1, 30 push-ups times 4. Day 2, 20 push-ups times 6. Day 3, rest. Day 4, max reps test. Day 5, 25 push-ups times 5. Week 2, Day 1, 40 push-ups times 3. Day 2, 20-second hold plus 20 reps times 4. Day 3, 60 push-ups max. Day 4, slow reps only times 50. Day 5, rest. Attempt your 100 rep set. You will hit it if you followed this exactly. Section 5. Form tips that make 100 possible. Doing 100 with bad form is easy. Doing 100 with clean form is the real flex. Hands under shoulders, slightly tucked elbows, core tight. Don't let hips drop. Full extension every rep. Lock breath rhythm. When form is tight, energy is not wasted. This gives you 10 to 20 extra reps for free. Section 6. The final 20 rep strategy. This is where everyone quits. Your arms shake, chest burns, brain screams, stop. Here's how to survive the last 20. Technique. Do 5 slow reps. Take a 1-second pause at top. Do 5 micro reps. Another 1-second pause. Finish final 10 with steady breathing. You break 20 into small battles, not one big war. And that is the real blueprint to hit 100 push-ups in a single set. Not hype, not magic, just pure technique, breathing, pacing, and smart progression.